Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Is there a link between sneezing and migraines? Migraines are more common in people who have rhinitis or allergies. Migraine attacks are more frequent in those with both migraine and rhinitis, especially in people with mixed rhinitis, both allergic and non-allergic. Many sinus headaches are actually migraines that require different treatment. The connection between migraines and rhinitis/allergies is not fully understood, but may involve trigeminal nerve activation, histamine release, and inflammation. Treating rhinitis and allergies may help decrease migraine frequency and improve quality of life. Treatments for rhinitis include over-the-counter and prescription medications, as well as avoidance of triggers. If migraines persist, preventive medications may also be necessary. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.